Okay, we're looking at how to load a roll of paper on a DesignJet Z3200. Basically, we can go via the menu system at the front of the printer, go into there, tell it we want to load a roll of paper, but this machine actually recognises the fact that you're trying to load paper if you just go ahead and load it. So if we go around the back of the machine, take our roll, make sure it's on the spindle coming off in that direction, go through, feed it into the machine, it will beep in a second and it will drag the paper in. Okay, right, now we go over to the front panel of the machine and it's asking us what we want to load. Top item is a roll, that's highlighted, so we just press OK. Then asks us what type of paper, a whole selection of papers we can choose from. This is just a standard bond, so go into the bond, brings up another big list, plain paper, select OK. A little bit too much skew on that roll, so DesignJet's telling us what to do. So just lift the lever, and wait till the front panel tells us to lower the lever. Okay, so we'll lower the lever. Okay, as simple as that. The paper's now loaded and the printer's ready to print. It's come ready.